Trademark and Intellectual Property Law. Hello, friends. Welcome to my channel, Legal for Non-Legal Professionals. My name is Hemant Kakkad. I am an engineer and I have done my master's in business law from National Law School University, Bangalore. In You must have seen my earlier two series on patent and copyright. So here I am going to talk about trademark. So in next 30 minutes, I'll take you through the topic of trademark. What is trademark? Who gets trademark? Who grants trademark? What is the importance of having a trademark? And how trademark protection can be claimed. Now, as an individual, you will ask me why I should worry about trademark. Let us say this. This is Parle-G, my favorite biscuit. Now, this is so much identified with glucose biscuits that whenever I will go to any shop, I'll say, give me Parle. I will not say, give me biscuit. I'll say, just give me Parle-G. This is so much importance of having a trademark. Apple. You must be knowing about this famous logo. And this Apple is one of the most valuable brands in the corporate world. Again, you will ask me why I should worry about trademark. So let me tell you about a small incident which happened with me. After 25 years, I visited Varanasi, the place from where I did my engineering. And there was a shop called Pahlavan. So all of us were very much excited to go to Pahlavan's shop and have a good variety of sweets there. When we reached there, we found 10 Pahlavan shops. We wanted to go to the original one. And we then asked, naturally, no shop owner will tell that which shop is the original shop. One person claimed, yes, I am the original guy, and all these are my cousins who have opened the shop in vicinity with the same name. So if you are a small business, this could happen after 25 years to you. You have a business today which is a small business, but if grows to 100 CR business in next 10 years, what will happen? You want to protect your reputation, and that is where trademark becomes important. You are an artist, and your signature can be your identity, your logo. And what happens if you become famous artist after years? Take that you are a chartered accountant. You know that ICAI, Institute of Chartered Accountants of India, is protected under trademark. And that is how nobody else can call them chartered accountant except those who have passed exams conducted by ICAI. So that is the importance of trademark. Let us see some of the very famous logos, trademarks of India. And you will realize that how you are connected with these trademarks in your life. You make your decisions to buy a product or a service based on these logos. You even take decisions to join a company based on these logos. So that is the power of a trademark. Another example, LIC.com is for sale. Life Insurance Corporation, which handles 80% of life insurance policies, had to take a different domain name called licindia.in because somebody took away that domain name lic.com. Now, this happened in earlier days. Nowadays, there are more awareness, and also authorities are very careful in giving the domain names. But here, lic.com was taken by somebody else, and a large corporation like LIC had to settle for a different domain name. Infosys fought many court battles. Infosys In 2018, that is the latest court battle they fought, in which they prevented a company calling themselves as Infosys International. Now, think about an international scenario where somebody wants to get business from Infosys, wants to do business with Infosys, and they end up going to Infosys International. They will discover it, but then the damage would be done. The initial momentum will be lost. That is where trademark is very, very important. It is important for consumers, it is important for companies, and it is important for you if you are having a small business as well. So what I have done is that there are 10 micro sessions. In the first micro session, let us revisit what is intellectual property law.